Jama kwaba high golden TV GH so Sabana Sports say amonone ensem efiemu ensem ye local news foreign tidbits no ahia na obenyan golden TV GH so nkwane no babe so mo ti be so be subscribe channel like be subscribe channel like yedi na echi mo bet pro Premier League match back we course so Dr. Kwame Kyei Sports Complex after match day 6 game back with me e course so honom Asante Kotoko ni Nations FC game a team e course so after the game no omunetimi end 2-2 draw and it me e course so honom. Now after the match, any incident be break Mississippi or Honoma game no air course no last minute goal be an as a penalty be a team air course so air game no Nations FC it made tea or more.
But there's a clutch there. Chance for Nations. Appeal for the penalty. It definitely won't hold. That team Kadri. Crucial moment in the last minutes. Penalty for the home team. Look at that glorious chance, glorious opportunity resulting in that penalty. That lad comes out. He fails to get the firm catch. Now look at the rebound. Clearance was made. Nafiu with that particular strike, and Nana Bein Amoa. He fails to catch the ball. Now Nafiu with that strike, and this is where the handball incident was, because on this occasion Ansu cleared it.
And I didn't seem be bread by na Kotoko supporters ni any anje after the game no Kotoko supporters ni timi ebubu seat ni bebre na wo Dr. Kwame Kyei Sports Complex onom ohwa seat ni bebre nkwa na yede egu e screen so a obetimi enye bi ahwe me hu infom so wo say ban say a friends wo say Kotoko supporters etimi ese nkonya seat e wo Dr. Kwame Kyei Sports Complex onom before the game na nkasa na atmosphere no e wo hype because supporters Kotoko supporters no etimi koyie pa massive omutimi edomoni kopi mo Dr. Kwame Kyei Sports Complex on etimi ekobo Kotoko team no echi dom pint no na inforande ne wo sroye pa na before the game na nkasa na Kotoko supporters ni say ya de omukwa kwaje 3 points no ombehye Nations FC by 2-1 enti no omote kanu na ede science mu nyina ede by sounds na Nations FC nso ombehye 3 points no e was side game no
sia na Kotoko de osuche obia in Ghana what you say eti enua nketua ne mo munso mu wuye bona ya ne mo bebo ne ntokwanim enti munya bo kire ne mo ento mo bo ase na mo ne mo bo no
menu ade tia ni say Kotoko so far a best team in Ghana team pia team fanon to ye ana ya bra kase ya ne ya record so ha so ya record so ha team bia ni wa bad league mo fofra wa share wa ha eti ana dia ya fala we na me matu game leading say osoro koda ya koda soro ne nya koda ho dia agi se grade na bedwu afi
ya ofani ni nyira ne se ene ball no 2-1 mi wa mi wa kontanse ya maka tro mo se ene omutu omuta ne beto ne yepe ebe so mu 2-1 because ayo mu home eto menya ba ku bi asedom da edede ni abo mu 2-1 pe
ball nge de ya sure say be ni omu 2-0 straight by the omni say Kotoko ye papa ye ma ba wo ba na wa mo bra obatimi ka fon kire wo enti Kotoko de ne de o ye hwan ye beje 3 points nge free
enti we no e agro na ebedie enye gidigidi bia ye de ya ye de papa mo ti ko be de e be ka form e papa mo de ye de ya ye be hye wo mo Messi
yeni egusu de echi ne be film ababia no ye do abesom ya hwefo ne etiefo golden TV GH nti be subscribe channel like o subscribe channel like yeni gusu the stories ni nyina echi enti no ye be film ababia be abesom